In this video, I'll show you how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on Fortnite. Firstly, open up a web browser. Then, go Google and search for Epic Game. Make sure you go to the official Epic Games website, which is epicgames.com. And then, here we are on the Epic Games website. Now sign into your account. I just have a normal Epic Games account, so I'll press sign in here, but you can use whichever you'd like. After you've signed in, you'll just be taken back to the Epic Games homepage like this. Now tap on your username or just hover over it really. Then, go down and tap on account. It will take a minute to load, and here we are on the personal details page. Then, what you need to do is go over to the left-hand side where it says password and security and click on it. Then, go and scroll down until you see the option for two-factor authentication. And as you can see, we've got these three different options here. You've got a third-party authenticator, SMS, and email. So, in this case, I like to go and use the third-party authenticator app, so I'll show you how you can set this up. All you need to do is press the switch on this app here. Then, as you can see here, we're given 3 easy steps. So, the next thing we need to do is go and download an authenticator app. So, the apps you can go and use are Google Authenticator, LastPass Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or any similar apps. Personally, I like to go and use the Google Authenticator. Just go and open up your App Store or Play Store, whatever store you have, and type in Google Authenticator like so. Go and tap on it like this, and then we can even open it up. Then, once you're on the app, go to the bottom right and go and tap on the plus button. I'm going to tap on Scan a QR code, and I'm then going to go and scan it. And just like that, it's already gone and added it. And at the bottom is our security code. Then, all you need to do is type this into Epic Games. So, I'll do that now. I've now gone and typed it in. So I'm then going to go and tap on Activate, just like so. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.